In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Remove.bg. This is a fantastic tool for enhancing your images by removing backgrounds and adding that extra touch with shadows to make your subject stand out. Whether it's for product photos, profile pictures, or any creative project, this will help you add depth to your images effortlessly. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Remove.bg. This is the website where all the magic happens. It's a user-friendly platform that's designed to help you remove backgrounds from images with just a few clicks. Once you're there, you'll notice that the interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate. Next up, you need to click on the Upload Image button. This option is typically easy to spot on the homepage and will lead you to select an image stored on your device. Once clicked, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Choose the image you desire to work with. If you're working with a new photo, or one you've been editing previously, just make sure it's easily accessible in your file directory. Now that you've selected your image, it will be uploaded, and you'll see Remove.bg in action as it swiftly removes the background from your photograph. The next step is where the fun begins. You'll want to go over and click on the Effects option. It's typically located in a menu or toolbar, and it's the gateway to transforming your image with shadows and more. Click on Add Shadow, and you'll immediately see options appear for shadow customization. This feature will give your image that professional, polished look. The software allows for adjustments, so feel free to tweak the shadow settings to suit your preferences. You can adjust the darkness, angle, and blur of the shadow to ensure it matches the lighting and mood of your image. Remember, the goal is to make the shadow look natural and consistent with the visual context of your picture. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used Remove.bg to not only clear the background of your image, but also to add a shadow effect that enhances its visual appeal. This technique is incredibly useful for any project where depth and focus on your subject are key requirements. With Remove.bg, not only do you elevate the look of your photos, but you also do so with minimal effort and time invested. It's all about enhancing your images to convey the right mood and message. Thanks for watching, and be sure to put these tips into practice to transform your own images with beautiful shadows.